Dear learners, how are you? Today, at first, I shall introduce myself to you. I am Nikash Sarkar, the headmaster of Banayani High School, Alpranga Faridpur. Yesterday, I taught you about Nersham or Isis. I taught you the definition of Nersham and its kinds. Today, I shall offer you some important rules of changing narration from direct to indirect. Dear learners, you must know these rules because these rules will be probably used while changing narration. Number one, if the reporting verb is in present or future tense. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Only the person will be changed. Will not be changed. This is rule number one. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Only person will be changed. Dear learners, now I shall write some examples of this rule on the whiteboard. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard and try to understand. First example, he says, I am wrong. He says to me, I do the work. Dear learner, look at the whiteboard. I have written an example of this rule. Here, the reporting verb is in says, and this says is in present tense. So, while changing narration, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Look at the blackboard. He tells me that I is first person. First person refers to subject of reporting verb. I mean he does the work. He does the work and I do the work. These two sentences are in the sentence because the reporting verb is in present tense. I am going to describe the role in Bangla version. যদি রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা প্রেজেন্ট অথবা ফিউচার টেন্সে থাকে তবে ইনডাইরেক্ট ভার্সনে গিয়ে রিপিটিভ স্পিচ টেন্সে কোনো পরিবর্তন হয় না, শুধুমাত্র পার্সনের পরিবর্তন হয়। নাও আই শ্যাল রাইট the example. Father will say he is fat. Here say is reporting verb and it is in future tense. So while changing this narration, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Only person will be changed, but here the person will also not be changed because he is third person. Father will say that he is fat. Here the tense has not been changed as the reporting verb is in present tense. Dear learners, he is fat, I do the work. These two sentences are in assertive sentence. So, at the beginning of reported that will be added. Dear learners, you know very well that if the repeated speech is in assertive sentence, that will be added at the beginning of inverted comma. Dear learners, now I shall go next rule. The next I shall write the rule on the blackboard. At first in English, next I shall write the rule in Bangla version for your easy understanding. Dear learners, look at the blackboard and try to the meaning of this rule. If the reporting verb is in past tense, if the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of reported speech will be changed. Will be changed. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of reported speech, I am wrong in writing. The tense of the reported speech will be changed into past tense. Past tense 2. Now I shall describe the rule in Bangla version. যদি রিপিটিভ ভার্বটা পাস্ট টেন্সে থাকে তবে ইনডাইরেক্ট অ্যাকশন করার সময় রিপিটিভ সিরিজটাও অনুরূপভাবে পাস্ট টেন্সে পরিবর্তিত হইবে। আর যদি রিপিটিভ ভার্বটা পাস্ট টেন্সে থাকে তবে ইনডাইরেক্ট অ্যাকশনে গিয়ে রিপিটিভ সিরিজটাও অনুরূপভাবে পাস্ট টেন্সে পরিবর্তিত হইবে। It was my second rule. Now I shall write down some examples on the whiteboard. Dear learners, you are the children of a rural area. So, if I teach you only in English method, it will be impossible for you to easy understanding. So, I shall describe any rule in Bangla version sometimes. Dear learners, he said to me, I take tea. Dear learners, he said to me, I take tea. Here, said is repeated verb and I take tea is repeated speech. Said it in past tense. So, the tense of the repeated speech might be changed into past tense too. I am doing the changing of this sentence. He told me that will be you. I have told you before that will be used at the starting point of the repeated speech as I take tea it is a assertive sentence. The answer will be, he told me that here I is first person. You know that first person refers to the subject of the repeating verb. I means he. Take is present form. Here the past form of take will be took. He took tea. It was my hard example. Now I shall supply you more examples on this rule. Dear learners, mother said to him, you play football. Dear learners, you play football is assertive sentence and the reporting verb is in past tense. So the tense of the reported speech will also be changed into past tense too. I am trying to solve this sentence. Mother told him that you Here you is second person. You know that second person refers to the object of the referring verb. So you means he. You is nominative case. So now I am to do the nominative case of him. The nominative case of him is he. He played football. Here play is present form. The past form of play will be played. Dear learners, it was my second rule. This rule has 6 branches. অর্থাৎ এই নিয়মের 6টি শাখা প্রশাখা আছে। I shall write all the branches on the whiteboard. You will try to understand. If you feel any difficulty, ask me. I shall try to make you easy understand, for your easy understanding. Dear learners, now I shall give the branches of rule number 2. Number A, present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is changed into past indefinite tense. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard and try to understand the branches. I shall describe you 6 branches of rule number 2. This is rule number A. Present indefinite tense is changed into past indefinite tense. Dear learners, probably you know the another name of present indefinite is simple past present, and another name of past indefinite is simple past. Now I shall describe the rule in Bangla version. Present indefinite tense থাকলে পরিবর্তিত হয়ে হবে past indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense যদি থাকে রিপোর্টিং স্পিচটা যদি প্রেজেন্ট indefinite tense থাকে ওটা পরিবর্তন হবে past indefinite tense. Now I shall write an example on the whiteboard. I hope that you will be able to understand the example. Kamal said, I go to Dhaka. Kamal said, I go to Dhaka. Here, the repeating verb said is in past tense. So, the tense of the repeating speech might be changed into past tense too. I go to Dhaka. It is simple present or present indefinite tense. So, this statement will be changed into past indefinite tense or simple past tense. Kamal said. Now I shall write the solution of the sentence. Kamal said that you have already been told that if the repeated speech is the assertive sentence, so that would be used at the beginning point of the inverted comma. Kamal said that here I is first person. You have already been told that first person indicates subject. I means Kamal. I have written Kamal on. So now I shall write the pronoun of this noun Kamal. He. Go is present form. So I shall write the first form of this verb go. He went to Dhaka. He went to Dhaka. Dear learners, try to understand. Now I shall describe the example in Bangla version. Kamal said, I go to Dhaka. Kamal bolo, ami Dhaka jai. The indirect verb will be. Kamal said that he went to Dhaka. Kamal bolo Dhaka giyechilo. Dear learners, have you understood? Dear learners, perhaps you have understood. Thank you. I go to Dhaka. It was in present indefinite So the past form of the sentence would be you went to that. Now I shall go to next rule. B. Present continuous. Present continuous. Tense is changed into past continuous tense. Present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense. Dear learners, the Bengali version of this sentence will be present continuous tense যদি থাকে রিপিটেড ফিউচার যে প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস থাকে ওটা পরিবর্তিত হয়ে হবে পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। নাও আই শ্যাল রাইট examples on the whiteboard. Look at the blackboard and to try to understand the thinking. If you feel any difficulty, ask me. I shall try to make you understand. Rohan said to me, you are sleeping. Dear learners, I have written an example on the whiteboard. Dear learners, here you are playing. This is repeated speech and it is in present continuous tense, and the repeating verb said is past tense. So the tense of the repeated speech will be changed into past continuous tense. Bangla version, you are playing, you are sleeping. তুমি ঘুমাইতেছো, এটা প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স আছে। এই প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সটা হয়ে যাবে পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। কেন হবে? যেহেতু সেটটা পাস্ট টেন্স আছে, রিপিটিং মোডে যেহেতু পাস্ট টেন্স আছে, সেহেতু এই প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হয়ে যাবে পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। টেক দ্য সলিউশন অফ দিস সেন্টেন্স। Rohan told me that you, here you is second person, so second person refers to object, you refers to me, you is nominative case, so I shall to write the nominative form of me. The nominative form of me will is I was sleeping. Dear learners, you are sleeping. The sentence was in present continuous. This sentence has been changed into past continuous because the repeated verb is in past tense. Dear learners, now I shall describe the example in Bangla version. যেহেতু রিপিটিং ভার্বটা সেট পাস্ট আছে, সেহেতু you are sleeping এই প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসটা পরিবর্তিত হয়ে হলো কি past continuous. I probably you have understood well. Now I shall go to the branch of rule number 2. Present perfect. Look at the blackboard. I am writing the rule in English version. Next I shall describe the rule in Bangla version for your easy understanding. Present perfect is equal to past perfect. Past perfect. Present perfect is equal to past perfect. I have written the sentence in another set. The broad meaning will be present perfect tense will be changed into past perfect tense. Bangla version present perfect tense যদি থাকে ওটা পরিবর্তন হয়ে হবে past perfect tense. Dear learners, now I shall write some more examples. Dear learners, now I shall write some more examples on this rule. Try to understand. Look at the whiteboard and try to understand. Badal said, I have done the work. I have done the work. I have done the work so the tense of this repeated speech will be changed into past perfect tense. আবার বলছি যেহেতু সেটা past tense সে আর I have done the work present perfect tense পরিবর্তন হবে past perfect. Badal said the solution is that Badal said that why has that been used here? I have already informed you that if the reported speech is a certain sentence, that must be used at the beginning point of the reported inverted comma. Badal said that here I is first person. I know that first person refers to subject of the reporting verb. I means Badal. Before I have written Badal before, so now I am to write the pronoun of Badal. The pronoun of Badal will be he, as Badal is a male. If the subject was female, I wrote she instead of that female noun. Badal said that he had done the what? Dear learners, have you understood? I think you have understood well. Now I shall go to next rule, number D. Now I shall describe the rule in Bangla again. I have done the work. It has present perfect tense. Present perfect tense হবে past perfect tense. কেন হবে? যেহেতু রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা past tense এ আছে। Now I shall go to rule number D. I am writing the rule in a nutshell because my class will go on only for 30 minutes. Number D. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous is equal to past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. I have written the rule in a nutshell. Now I shall describe the rule in broad sense. Present perfect continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense if the repeating verb is a past tense. If the repeating verb was in present or future tense, you have already been told that then the tense of the repeated speech will not be changed. Now I shall write on an example on the blackboard. Dear learners, try to follow the whiteboard. Mother said to me. Mother said to me, I have been sleeping. I have been sleeping for 2 hours. I have written an example of present perfect continuous tense. I have been sleeping for 2 hours. It is the repeated speech, and this repeated speech is in present perfect continuous tense. This present perfect continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense as the repeated verb is in past tense. Now I shall describe the example in Bangla version. Mother said to me, I have been sleeping for 2 hours. Mama ke bole ami 2 ঘন্টা যাব ঘুমাইতেছি। So now I shall write the solution of this sentence. Mother told me. Mother told me. Mother told me that will be used at the beginning point of the repeated speech. Mother told me that here I is first person. So the first person we know that first person refers to subject. I means mother. Mother is a noun. So now I shall to write the pronoun of this noun form. Mother, she will be used instead of mother because mother is a noun. If we write noun again and again, it would not be good to hear. So I have written she instead of mother. She had been sleeping for 2 hours. This was the solution of that person. Now I shall describe the role in Bangla. যদি রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা পাস্ট টেন্স থাকে আর রিপোর্টিং স্পিচটা প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস থাকে তাহলে সেই রিপোর্টিং স্পিচটা পাস্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসে পরিবর্তিত হয়ে যাবে। It was the Bangla version. Now I shall go to the next rule, number 8. Number 8. Past indefinite is equal to past perfect. In broad sense, I am describing the rule. Past indefinite tense or simple past tense will be changed into past perfect tense. I have written the rule. Now I shall write an example of this rule on the whiteboard. Dear learners, try to understand. Very often I say that if you feel any difficulty to understand, ask me. I shall try to make you understand. Mina said, I took tea. I have written an example on the whiteboard. I took tea. It is simple past tense or past indefinite tense. So I took tea. This past indefinite tense will be changed into past perfect tense as the repeating verb is in past tense. Now I shall describe rule in Bangla. যদি রিপোর্টিং স্পিচটা পাস্ট টেন্সে থাকে, পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সে থাকে আর রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা প্রেজেন্ট পাস্ট টেন্সে থাকে তাহলে পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সটা পরিবর্তিত হয়ে হবে পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স। Dear learners, I am writing the solution of this question. Mina said that you have already been told that in case of assertive sentence that will be used at the beginning point of the inverted comma. Mina said that I first person, so first person refers to subject. You have already been told it again and again. So Mina, instead of Mina, I shall write she because Mina is a noun. If I write noun again and again, it will not be better and it will not be good to hear. So I have written I instead of Mina. I took it. It is simple past or past indefinite tense. So this past indefinite tense will be changed into past perfect tense. She had taken tea. We know that in the structure of past perfect tense, subject had past participle of the principal verb, next others or etc. I took tea. Now I shall describe the example in Bangla. I took tea. আমি চা খেয়েছিলাম। এটা past indefinite tense, এটা পরিবর্তন হয়ে হলো past perfect tense। কেন হলো? যেহেতু রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা past tense আছে। আর রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা যদি past tense না থাকতো তাহলে I took tea এই রিপোর্টিং স্পেসিফিক টেন্সে কোনো পরিবর্তন হতো না। ওটা আমি এক নাম্বার দিয়ে ওটা বলা আছে। Now I shall go to another rule number 8, and this is the last branch of the rule number 2. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is equal to past perfect continuous tense. In percent, I am going to describe the rule. Past continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense if the repeating verb is in past tense. I am going to repeat it in Bangla version. যদি রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা পাস্টে থাকে আর রিপোর্টিং টেন্সটা পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স থাকে তখন ওই পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সটা পরিবর্তিত হয়ে হবে পাস্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স. Dear learners, now I shall write an